How much should you actually spend on a portable barbecue grill? Because people are thrilled with the cheap ones, but some swear by the pricey options. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Cuisinart Chef Style. Let's kick things off with the Cuisinart Chef Style Tabletop Portable Propane Grill. Priced at $224.99, it caught my attention with its sleek stainless steel design and impressive 20,000 BTUs of grilling power. If you want a no-fuss, efficient way to grill on the go, this is worth a serious look. That's perfect for camping or tailgating when time is of the essence. The dual burners allow for customizable heat zones, so you can cook everything from burgers to veggies simultaneously without compromising on taste. Plus, with 275 square inches of cooking surface, you can whip up a feast with ease. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The stainless steel grates offer even heat distribution, ensuring your food cooks perfectly every time. Now, some users have complained about the grill being a bit heavy for its size at 22 pounds. Here's the thing though, while it may be a bit more to carry, the build quality and performance make it worth it for serious grillers. This is perfect for you if you love to grill on camping trips or tailgating. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra lightweight for quick picnics. At this price point, you're getting a solid value for a high-performing grill. Now, if the weight of the Cuisinart bothered you, the next one might actually be even better for portability. Product number 2, Coleman Road Trip 285 Black. Next up is the Coleman Road Trip 285 Portable Stand-Up Propane Grill in black, priced at $249.99. This grill really caught my eye with its adjustable burners and convenient stand-up design. If you want flexibility in your cooking, this one's definitely worth considering. The large 285 square inches cooking surface means you can cook multiple items at once, making it great for family gatherings or camping trips. What's really cool is the integrated thermometer that helps you monitor cooking temperatures accurately. This can save you from overcooking your meats, which is a common grilling woe. Some people have mentioned that it can be a bit tricky to transport because of its size. However, the sturdy quick-fold legs and wheels make setup and takedown a breeze. It's a small trade-off for the cooking space you gain. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile grill that can handle different cooking styles. Skip it if you need something compact for solo outings. Considering its features, it's a solid investment for outdoor cooking. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a splash of color and functionality. Product number 3, Coleman Road Trip 285 Green. Now let's check out the Coleman Road Trip 285 Portable Stand-Up Propane Grill in green, also priced at $249.99. If you're drawn to aesthetics combined with performance, this is definitely one to look at. This grill shares the same impressive specs as the black version, featuring 20,000 BTUs of power and 3 adjustable burners for precise temperature control. The spacious 285 square inches cooking area allows multiple foods to be grilled simultaneously, which is a real time saver during cookouts. It's also equipped with a thermometer for accurate heat monitoring, which is essential for grilling success. Some users have pointed out that the grease pan could be designed better for easier cleaning. Now I'll be real with you. While it can be a hassle to clean, the grill's overall performance and ease of setup far outweigh this minor flaw. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish and functional grill for gatherings. Skip this one if you're looking for a very compact option. For the price, you're getting a grill that performs well and adds a bit of flair to your setup. Now, if the cleaning aspect of the Coleman models has you concerned, the next grill is a different approach altogether. Product number 4, Coleman Road Trip 285 Red. Next, we have the Coleman Road Trip 285 Portable Stand-Up Propane Grill in red, again at $249.99. This one's similar to the previous models but adds versatility with interchangeable cooking surfaces. If you like the idea of customizing your grilling experience, keep listening. The 3 adjustable burners allow you to cook different types of food at varying temperatures, which is a huge plus. The built-in thermometer and easy setup with wheels make it user-friendly for all your outdoor grilling needs. One downside some users mentioned is that the heat distribution can be uneven if not monitored closely. But honestly, if you adjust the burners properly, you can get great results. It just requires a little practice. This is perfect for you if you're an adventurous griller who loves trying new recipes outdoors. Skip this if you want something straightforward without extra features. For the price, it's a great investment for someone who enjoys grilling with flexibility. Now, if you're looking for something more compact and budget-friendly, the last grill on my list is a fantastic option. Product number 5, MegaMaster 1-Burner. Finally, we have the MegaMaster 1-Burner Portable Gas Grill priced at just $68.38. This caught my eye for its budget-friendly price and compact design. If you want a no-frills grill that won't break the bank, this is worth a look. With 11,000 BTUs and a cooking surface of 360 square inches, this grill is perfect for small gatherings or solo grilling sessions. It's built with durable steel and features a locking lid, making it easy to transport for camping or picnics. Plus, the foldable legs make storage a breeze. Here's why this matters for you. If you're looking for something lightweight and easy to set up, this grill checks all the boxes. Some users have expressed concerns about the grill not retaining heat well. But honestly, for the price, it's a fantastic option that gets the job done without a hefty investment. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, portable solution for outdoor cooking. Skip this if you need a grill for larger gatherings. For the budget-conscious, this grill offers great value without sacrificing quality. So to wrap it all up, we've covered the Cuisinart Chef style for quick setups, the versatile Coleman Road Trip 285 in black for flexible cooking, the stylish green version of the same model, the red version for customization, and finally the budget-friendly MegaMaster. Each has its strengths, so think about what you need most before deciding. Happy grilling!